Up for sale, 1970 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 70 Corvette, finished in black with black interior. 350, numbers matching. Turbo 400 trans, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, factory AC, leather interior, and T-tops. As always, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and drive it. So, of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And I know what you're thinking. Andrew, they didn't offer black in 1970 for a Corvette. And you know, you're right. This is not the first one I've had that was repainted black. And I got to say, I love when they do that because it's a great color. It's desirable in all, you know, all years, all types of cars. And I actually don't know why they didn't produce it from, I think 70 was the first year they stopped. And it was either 76 or 77 they brought it back. Was it poor body work? Were customers getting away from black at the time? You know, 70s, maybe they were more into the psychedelic colors, the yellow, the orange. But anyway, the paint is older. So there's some, you're going to see some checks, some chips, some touch-ups, some, you know, blemishes on it. There's a decent amount of checking on the hood. You can make that out a little bit there. I didn't want to touch anything up. I just thought it looked, you know, presentable the way it was. Because beyond the paint, and again, I hope you're still watching, all new interior, a lot of work done to the drivetrain. All the suspension front and back was done. New disc brake calipers all around. Stainless brake lines, you know, fuel lines. Let me just pop the hood here, actually. But new stainless steel exhaust with MagnaFlow muffler. So you see some of those blemishes here. This is well, leftovers of a buffing compound. But again, look how shiny the paint is. Look at that. I'll show you the interior while I go into it. Again, leather seats, new carpet, new floor mats, new door panels. All the T-top components are new. Consoles new. You know, the wood grain here is new. Gauge cluster is new. Dash pad is new. Gauges in here are new. And not just new amateur. Like, these are nice seats. Like I'm impressed with the leather. I like that this is here. This obviously isn't new, but the leather is nice. But let's go. And if anybody is interested, was 982 paint code from the factory. And I remember the other day looking it up, but I can't remember today. Anyway, going on about nice things that they did. One, brand new shielding. You can see the coils new, all the vacuum hoses are new, the brake boosters new. Brand new intake on there. All the bolts are brand new, you know, not painted over. Went with the stock valve covers, new fan, like a chrome water pump or like one of those polished water pumps. This is new. Engine was out. New oil pan gasket. You can even see like the down there that somebody's calling me. That piece that I'm zooming in on down there, that stuff is new. Let me zoom back out. There we go. I was impressed with that. New trans pan as well. And again, underneath the car, you see all four new Bilstein shocks. You see new, I should show you. Oh, I left a sticker on in case anybody was curious, because this is NOS. When you zoom in here, let me see if I can work my camera skills here. You see new bushings there. You see the new shocks. You see the new springs. New bushing in the control arm there. New line there. You can make out the new caliper there. Same deal on that side, all the same. So the control arms were done. And again, power steering, like the idler arms, all those that run across, that is all new as well. I'm going to the back of the car. Again, assuming I can make this all out while I'm here. Has spare tire holder, new stainless exhaust. Let me lay down here. Again, you see the new Bilstein, newer leaf springs in the back. New bushing, new bushing. Can I zoom in there? You see this? This has been worked on. Is there anything else that I can show you? Rear end had work as well, and you could make out, you know, about the same over there. Frame is nice, no rust in the end. Ow! No rust in the end caps. Rally wheels. Great look with the BF Goodrich tires. Your VIN is good here, of course. I will fire it up. I hope to God I have the key in my pocket. Yes, I do. The clock freaking works. The gas gauge does not. I haven't really figured that out yet. 350, 300 horse. I haven't ran the VIN or ran the serial number. I'm sorry. Looked up the suffix for the horsepower, but it might be a 300 horse, being a 70 before the massive drop off in horsepower, 70, 71. I mean, like the handle cranks are newer. This is new. This component's new. Trying to think what else here. Straighten the mirror out. Possibly original seatbelts though, which I do like that idea. Got a nice sound to it. Got your tag here, and again, new weather stripping. I mean, you can see like that's new, the distributor's new. Sweet. So again, I'm not going to spend too much time. I'm going to try and keep the pace up. You see some. Oh, that. Okay, there's something stained on here. That'll come off, but like blemish, that wheel will. So I had been brainstorming, that this lower body molding's new. Same thing for the other side, and I did not show the chrome. But the chrome is actually in nice condition here. You make out like a chip there. Chrome is nice. Your front grills down there are a little older, but not bad, very presentable. You could leave the car the way it is as a driver because a lot of the important stuff is done. If you're one of those guys, you said you gotta paint it. I think you can't go wrong with all the work that's been done aside from that. Door lines up nice here. Look at that. Again, some more blemishes on the door. Like there's a chip there, a couple marks there by the back in here. Again, look at the shine. Your T-top fitment looks to be the way you want it to be. Lines up nice. I've already shown you all the interior new already. I showed you the weather stripping. I showed you the original tag for the VIN in there. In the door I'm referring to. And the trim tag. I want to refocus my camera. Give me 1 second. A couple little blemishes here. I just wanted to make sure my camera was back to autofocus. No stone chips down there actually. We'll talk about the stripe in a second. Your rally wheels. The steel wheel itself is nice. The center caps are nice. The trim ring is nice. About the silver stripe here, I always forget what they call it. Sometimes they put like a different color in the middle. But the silver is actually a sticker. You could just, if you didn't like it, peel it off and then buff the glue off. Or you could leave it. It's not that bad since it's just a little silver. It's not like they painted this white or a different color. Let me focus here on the chrome. And there's this tag end that I left there just in case you did want to peel it off. Nice chrome, actually. A little less nice. You see a couple little pits on there, but not bad. chip there, and I see a little scratch there. See a little blemish here. A couple little marks here. Again, I don't want to be too anal, but want to make sure I cover everything. Nice in there. Nice in there. I guess the luggage rack is technically nice as well. It's not pitted. Couple marks here on this lip, but again, no stone chips there. And yeah, you could grab it right there if you wanted to. Peel this side off. See, nice wheels. Some more blemishes on that lip. Door lines up nice, just like the other side. See some stone chips here, common areas. A little checking. Another new piece of that lower body molding. New weather stripping. Another new door panel. New handle, new cranks. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. Behind the seat is nice as well. Carpet's finished there. No cracks in the glass. This door, a couple marks there, but this door lines up nice all the way down. You see a couple little blemishes. Again, I'm just repeating myself at this point. You see a couple more on the lip there. And then down here. But anyway, we're gonna fire it up, show it driving, get in for the driving. And yeah, thank you for watching.
Seatbelt light works. Super clean, super responsive.
Yeah.
Steering, brakes, gas.
Mm-hmm.